Hello everyone. In this step we are going to be making new content and new pages on our website. So our starter site came with 5 pages. One of the easy ways to do that if you don't need one of these pages is to, instead of going to edit with Elementor right away, if you click edit, you'll see you get the WordPress editor up. Here you can change the title of the page, and you can also change the link of the page. So if you had a page that you wanted that had some of the design features in that page and you don't need it, one way to do it is to just change this into, say, locations, and then we're going to edit the link here to locations. And now we've taken our amenities page, click update, and we've created a new title for it. So now when you go to that page, once again click on pages, all pages, and now here's our new locations page that once was amenities page. Edit with Elementor, and you would just change the title to locations, and you could use this as a template. That only works if you don't need a page. If you actually want all these pages and you want to create a new page, let's go ahead and do that. Before I do that, I am going to store a few sections of a page so that I'm ready to go when I create my new page. So I have a page in mind. It's going to be called Services, and I need a few blocks that look kind of like this to keep my theme consistent. So here's a section here. I'm going to right click, save as template. So you can save any section to your Elementor, to your site. Click save as template, and I'm going to call it header 1. Okay, so now I've saved it in my templates. Now I'm going to save this entire section. Right click, save as template. This was like 3 column boxes. Save that section. And I'm not going to keep these. Now I'm going to exit. It's also good if you are going to erase a page altogether, why not just save those sections just in case you need them? Because you can always bring them back if you save those. Alright, so now I'm going to go to the pricing, edit with Elementor, and I'm going to take one more section out of there. These price blocks. So I'm going to save as template, price blocks. Save that. Okay, so now I've saved a few sections from my existing site. Now I'm going to create a new page. So let's go to Pages and Add New. The page is going to be called Services. And don't forget, right down here, you may want to choose this yourself. The Astra Settings are going to pull from whatever you set in the customizer. So if you want it full width like the other pages, you want no sidebar, you want content full width stretched, and you want to disable the title, which means this title here. You'll just have to put that in yourself, and disable featured image. The rest of this I'm going to keep. So then you publish the site, or publish the page. Now we've created a page called Services. Let's check it out. Here it is. And it doesn't say edit with Elementor. So if I click edit, here's edit with Elementor. Click edit with Elementor. Now it's going to open up the page. And now here, instead of adding sections from scratch, I'm just going to open up my Save Templates, My Templates, Header 1, Insert, OK. Go down, price blocks, insert, and let's go down a little further, insert the 3-column. Alright, this is great. So I've created a new page, but I used a lot of the elements from the other pages. You can edit these as you wish. Get your background photo different by clicking Edit Section, Style. Change that background photo. So we've created a new page called Services, and it's looking pretty good. So I wanted to show you a few other ways to create content. Obviously, there's the simplest way, which is to just create a section. 1, 2, 3-column section. It's up to you. We'll do a 1-column. Here's the 1-column section here. Drag a header into there. Drag the text editor into there. So you can make these by yourself. Drag a button into here. But as you can see, the professionals have already gone through some decent sections. They've already gone through some lengths to create some sections for you, so you don't have to if you don't want to. You can create a 3-column section. Here they are here. You can adjust those columns manually, and you can put some images in there by dragging those image boxes onto the section, and you can just do your own thing, do a DIY section yourself if you aren't satisfied with these sections that have been already made. The last way to create some content that I wanted to show you in this video is to use the other templates given to you from Elementor. Here in this folder, you'll see you have the templates that you saved, but you also have this pages. And here Elementor provides entire pages for you to use. So these Pro ones, you need to have Elementor Pro, but this one right here is not Pro. You can preview it, and if you want like one of these sections, like this little piece here and this piece here, I'm just going to insert it, or you can just insert it from here. That inserts the entire page into your page. The downside is that a lot of times the fonts and the colors are different from the scheme you already have. But if there is a section within this page that you want, you just hit the X for the ones that you don't want. Here's the one I want, so I'll get rid of that. I'll get rid of this, and I'll keep this guy here. Maybe I'll duplicate this section and change up the text, put in my own photo. So that's another way that you can get a lot of professional looking content without having to do it yourself. You would just use this these templates here, these pages here. Once you get it the way you want, if you want to drag a section, you just grab that tab and you start dragging those sections. You can drag sections, you can drag widgets, you can drag anything. You just right click. You drag the widget by grabbing that little pencil here on the right side. So you can duplicate any of these and then reuse them. So that's it for making new content. If you want to add this to your menu, I guess I'll show you how to do that real quick. I'm going to exit to dashboard. It's saving right now. Okay, so it's saved. Now appearance, menus, and here in the menus, I'm currently looking at the top nav, primary menu, so that's the one I want. Here are my pages. View all, services. Check that box, add to the menu. Now you got your services page in your menu. You can throw another one out. You can delete this one off your menu, remove that if you don't need it. So yeah, that's how you would add it to your menu. Click Save Menu, go to your site, and now you're cooking. Hope this step was helpful. For other steps, check out stepbystepwp.com/program, and thanks a lot.